Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to KD's Empire, and we have another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about a daughter that steals her mother's burial money to go on a vacation. Let's get into the video.
This what we doing? This what we doing? This what we doing?
What are you talking
Is this
about?
what we doing?
What are you talking about?
I get a call from the funeral home saying our mother's been cremated. Why is that?
Because she was.
What you mean?
What you mean what I mean?
What you mean? She was supposed to be buried next to our dad in the cemetery. What you doing?
It was cheaper to get her cremated.
What you mean it was cheaper?
What you mean?
That's how you doing? That's how you doing our mom? That's how you doing our mom?
She ain't raise us?
She did raise us. What you talking about?
What do you mean she raised us?
When dad died, she had to take 2
Mom
jobs.
never do nothing for
Oh,
us.
now you.
Put a camera on my face.
For what? Dude, what you do with the money?
What do you mean what I... Vacation.
What you mean?
I did something for myself.
You always, all you think about is yourself. That's all you think
As
about.
I should. As you should. She ain't think about you.
What you mean? She was always there for us.
Where? When? You got family photos of mom? Because I don't.
Listen,
You got a photo album with mom?
listen. I don't know where y'all went wrong.
I'm listening.
I don't know where y'all went wrong.
I'm listening.
I don't know where you were. You got to get together.
Present some proof.
I presented all the proof.
We never go on vacation. She barely fed us.
She was at work
also
providing for
night.
us. That's crazy, bro.
Work?
Oh, you got.
Mom ain't never work. What you talking about? She went outside.
That's a nice car. That's a nice car you got outside.
I deserve luxury.
Very nice car.
I deserve luxury.
Because you couldn't get on your own, right?
What?
You had to wait. You had to wait till she died.
Project with roaches and rats. Yeah.
You had to wait till she died. You had to wait till she died to get a nice car. You're welcome.
She owe me that.
What? She owe you nothing. She owe you nothing. She owe you nothing.
What you talking about?
She don't owe you nothing. She put you
she
in
owe me a
school.
lot.
She gave you
owe me a
life.
lot.
She gave you life.
I know, but
that's crazy. That's
you know
crazy.
What? I got what I needed. I got my vacation.
Okay.
I got my car. And now with that money I saved,
look, y'all.
my kids
And
are good.
look, and now she got no family. She got.
I got
hold
family.
on. She got
my
3.
kids taken care of.
Oh, but you 3 baby daddies?
Yup.
Who don't give you nothing?
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, you mad 'cause I ain't give you no money for your kids?
I don't need your money. I don't need your money.
Oh, yes, you do.
I don't need your
Yes,
money.
you do.
That's
Where you
crazy.
staying at?
That's crazy.
What?
I got my own house.
No, you don't.
What you mean? How
No,
you
you
know?
don't.
How you know?
Because you living off your baby mama.
You don't come around. You don't come around the family.
I don't need to.
It is why the family don't rock with you.
And that's
It's why
fine.
they don't rock with you.
And I don't care.
You do care.
I do not.
You're gonna be all alone.
And that's fine.
And
You know
when
what?
you-
I'm going to be all alone in Maldives.
Okay,
'Cause I'm
that's
going
cool.
on vacation
That's cool.
again.
That's cool.
And
And
that is
don't
cool.
come crying to me when your baby daddy don't do nothing for you. When your kids don't
You know
like
what?
you, they
I
go
don't
end up in
care.
jail.
Because that money,
Uh-huh.
I still got. I still
Okay,
got more.
that's
I
what's
got
up.
more.
That's what's
I'm
up.
gonna be fine.
Karma's
So you can
crazy.
go,
Karma's
because
crazy.
it's my
Oh, you want me to go?
house. Yes, you can go.
It's not your house. You written it.
No, this is
You
my
written
house.
it. You don't own it.
Oh,
You don't own it.
I got money.
Okay,
Don't worry
okay,
about
cool.
it. I got money.
Now keep that same energy. That's crazy,
That
y'all.
energy will be
That's
good.
cool. Keep that same energy. Cool. All right. Bet. Okay. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Look at this empty house. She ain't got no furniture, y'all. Look at this. Okay. That's crazy. That's crazy. I got you. All right.
Well, I tell you, these people are getting crazier and crazier by the day. It amazes me, like, how people think nowadays. And they don't see anything wrong with how they think and how they're moving. Anyway, man, y'all let me know. What do you guys think about this video down in the comments, all right? Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa, too bad was you know they roll.